Hey, I've been wanting to talk to you about something. It's been really tough lately, and I just need someone to vent to.
Of course, buddy. You know I'm here for you. What's been going on?
Well, you won't believe the mess I'm in. I've lost everything in my business and the stock market. It's gotten so bad that I had to sell my house. And to top it off, my girlfriend left me.
Oh man, that's rough. I'm so sorry to hear that. It must be incredibly difficult for you right now.
Yeah, it's been a nightmare. I just don't know how I'm going to survive. It feels like reaching where I was before is impossible.
Don't be so hard on yourself, my friend. I know it's tough, but you can't lose hope. Remember, even fresh, educated people without experience are out there trying to make it.
I guess you're right, but I'm already 40 years old. When will I ever be successful again?
Age is just a number, pal. Your experience and patience will be your greatest assets in this journey. I read this story about a guy named Howard Schultz. He was in his 40s when he founded Starbucks.
Really? That's inspiring. But how did he manage to do that?
Well, Howard Schultz had a vision, just like you did when you started your business. He believed in it so strongly that he worked tirelessly to make it a reality. He didn't give up, and he turned Starbucks into a global empire.
That's incredible. But I feel like I'm starting from scratch, and it's so overwhelming.
I get it, it's not easy. But think about this, Colonel Sanders, the guy who founded KFC, he was in his 60s. When he began franchising his chicken recipe, he faced rejection after rejection before finding success.
So, you're saying it's never too late to try again?
Absolutely. And remember, your experience is like a treasure trove. You've faced challenges and learned from them. That knowledge can be invaluable as you rebuild your business, or even start fresh in a job.
Thanks for being so positive, but I'm also worried about finances. I barely have any money left.
I believe in you so much that I'd like to help you get back on your feet. I can offer you some money to kickstart your business again.
Wow, I don't know what to say. That's incredibly generous of you.
We're friends, and friends support each other, especially in tough times. Plus, I have faith in your ability to turn things around.
Thank you, from the bottom of my heart. I promise I'll make the most of this opportunity.
I have no doubt you will, my friend. Remember, success stories are filled with ups and downs, but it's how we handle the downs that defines us.
You're right. I won't let this setback define me. I'll work hard, stay determined, and use my experience to build something even better.
That's the spirit. And hey, whenever you feel down or need advice, I'm just a call away. We're in this together.
Thanks, buddy. With your support and my determination, I believe I can overcome this and create a brighter future.
Absolutely, and who knows, maybe one day we'll be telling your success story just like we talked about Howard Schultz and Colonel Sanders.
That would be a dream come true. Thanks again, my friend.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel.